Hey everybody, it's Mayor John Huffman and welcome to this week's Minute with the Mayor. And this week I'm tossing it over to Community Services to talk a little bit about summertime safety.
Thanks, Mayor. I'm Jennifer Blackstock, the Aquatic Supervisor at Champions Club.
And I'm Johnny Lopez, one of the park's crew leaders.
This summer, when you're at the Champions Club splash pad, rest assured that we're making sure it's safe for your family. We check our water every single hour. The Champions Club splash pad uses a recirculation system, which is the same system we use for our pools. It runs through a filtration system, it goes through a UV disinfection system before the water comes back out to the sprayers again. But not all of our splash pads are the same.
You're absolutely right, Jen. The splash pad at Bicentennial Park is a little different than the one at the Mark. It's a flow-through or single-use system, and after it's sprayed, it goes into our pond and irrigates a majority of the park. It's basically the same water that comes out of the faucets or showers at your house. If you want to take an even deeper dive, you can check out experiencesouthlake.com and see how the splash pad works. And that's it for this week with the Minute with the Mayor, so we'll catch you next week.